12 seconds. Did you know most seniors lose their strength and energy not because of age, but because of 3 simple mistakes they make every single day? And the good news is, fixing those mistakes can change your health faster than you think. Today I'm going to share the most powerful wellness guide every senior in America needs to hear. Welcome back to the channel. If you're over 60 or caring for an older loved one, this video is going to help you understand how a senior wellness coach can completely transform your daily life. From movement routines, diet changes, mental health, energy levels, and safe exercises. Today you'll learn everything you need for a longer, stronger, and healthier life. What is a senior wellness coach? Explained simply. A senior wellness coach is like your daily health partner. Not a doctor, not a gym trainer. Someone who guides you step by step toward better habits. They help you eat right, move safely, stay emotionally strong, reduce pain, and remain independent. Their goal is simple. Keep you active, confident, and healthy through small daily changes that create big results. And our seniors' biggest health challenges, USA Focus. After age 60, many seniors struggle with low energy, stiff joints, weak muscles, balance issues, sleep problems, weight gain, and feeling lonely or unmotivated. These challenges are normal, but they get worse if you don't take action. The biggest mistake seniors make is thinking this is just old age. The truth is, you can improve your health at any age. How a wellness coach helps change your life. A good wellness coach designs a plan made just for you. They guide your food habits, create a simple movement routine, help you manage stress, and build habits you can actually follow. They keep you accountable and motivated. And when seniors follow a coach's plan, they often experience better mobility, improved digestion, stronger immunity, and more energy throughout the day. Daily wellness habits every senior should do. Start your day with gentle stretches to improve blood flow and reduce stiffness. Eat a heart-friendly breakfast with protein so your body stays energized. Drink water regularly to avoid dehydration, which is a common senior problem. Add brain activities like reading, puzzles, or memory games. Connect with someone daily to avoid loneliness. And end your day with a calm bedtime routine so you sleep better. Senior nutrition essentials. A powerful senior diet includes anti-inflammatory foods like berries, oats, leafy greens, salmon, and olive oil. Choose safe and soft protein options like eggs and yogurt. Add calcium and vitamin D for bones. Avoid sugary drinks, deep-fried foods, long gaps between meals, and extra salt. Small changes in food can dramatically improve heart health, digestion, and energy levels. Safe exercise plan for seniors. Start slowly. Begin with low-impact exercises like walking, chair exercises, water exercises, or light resistance bands. Add balance training, just 5 minutes a day, to reduce fall risk. Simple strength movements like seated leg lifts or wall push-ups help maintain muscles. Never start a fast exercise routine suddenly. Move gently, safely, and consistently. Mental health and emotional wellness. Your mind controls your body. Seniors who manage stress, meditate, stay social, and stay mentally active live longer and healthier. Keeping your brain engaged with learning, music, or hobbies can protect memory and reduce anxiety. Happiness is also part of wellness. Common mistakes that hurt senior health. Sitting for long hours, skipping meals, avoiding exercise, relying too much on painkillers, wearing the wrong shoes, and ignoring mental health. These mistakes make seniors weaker. Fixing just one of these habits can improve your wellness quickly. Building your senior wellness plan. Simple steps. Start by understanding your current health. Set easy goals. Make a morning routine. Add food habits you can maintain. Add 10 minutes of daily movement. Track your energy weekly. Wellness does not happen in one day. It happens through small daily steps. Final action tip. Do one thing today. Choose one habit you want to improve. Whether it's drinking more water, walking 10 minutes, or eating cleaner, start today. Your golden years can become your strongest years if you take the right steps. Outro. Thank you for watching. If you want more senior health and wellness tips, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Your health journey starts now, one step at a time.